Well, good morning, Merlin. How are you today? This is my friend Merlin. Merlin is an African Grey Parrot. He's a Timna, which is just a little bit smaller than the larger Congo parrot, which I have one of those as well. His name is Sinatra. He's outside. But Merlin is a really sweet bird. Merlin is a rescue, and he loves attention, loves being on film, right? Who's that, huh? Yeah, that's you on film, buddy. Would you like to get on my shoulder? Come on, get on my shoulder. Good bird. Yeah, that's a good bird. Oh, Goblin's a little jealous, huh? Are you a little jealous, buddy? Sorry, but Merlin needs some attention too, you know. Yeah. Yeah. You think dogs and cats are the only animals you can pet and share intimate energy with? It's not true. Birds are extremely affectionate animals, and they need a lot of attention. They need you to constantly touch them and let them know that they're important. Merlin's a glutton for attention. Oh, yeah. That Band-Aid has nothing to do with him. One thing most birds will never let you do is touch under their wings. That's a major, major trust. Yeah. Whoa. It's gonna climb me. You ready to climb me, huh? Yeah, you're a good climber. You have wings. You could fly if you wanted to.
When birds collide, on the right you have a Timna African Grey Parrot. On the left you have a Quaker Parakeet or a Monk Parrot. They are meeting one another for the first time. They don't know what to think. Birds are naturally not aggressive to one another in the wild because they can simply fly away. But in domesticated situations, sometimes there can be squabbles. That's right.